Hello and welcome to Banshee's 1990 guide, commonly called 90s. Now, a 90 is basically spinning on one hand in a handstand position. Looks hard, but really it isn't. Just a few simple moves that you gotta do to start spinning. Okay, now first, you're gonna want to wind up sort of like you're doing a flare, with your hand back. So then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to bring your right hand back and throw it towards your left foot, and your left leg is gonna go back as you put your right hand down. Now, once you put it down, you lift up your left leg, and then right after your left leg lifts up, you lift your right leg up. Now you have to lift them in a circular motion. Your right hand goes to the left, and your left foot goes to the right. Okay, now watch. Okay, so once you get that down, the next part is learning to shift your weight on each hand. So you do the first step, and then you put your other hand down in the middle. So you put your right hand down, then once you get in a handstand position, force your weight over to your left hand. Now watch. Okay. Now, when you're in the handstand position, that is where you're going to want to push off with your right hand so that you can do a spin. Okay, so once you get that down, you're going to want to learn where to spin on your hand. Now, it's going to be on the inside of your palm, right there. But the thing is, you're going to want to spin on the bone, which is right at the edge, at the bottom of the edge of your palm. So that's where you're going to want to spin when you're doing 90s, right there. Now watch. This is where I put all the elements of the 90 together. Once I'm in the handstand position, I push off with my right hand, and I actually whip my legs, which is a key part to doing 90s. The whipping is what creates the momentum. Now watch this again as I push off and whip my legs. Here are a few of my 90s over the days. And one thing to remember about 90s is the whipping leg is actually the leg that comes up first. In this case will be my left leg. So I bring my left leg up, and then once I'm in the handstand position, I kick it through. And that's what creates the momentum for the 90.